Hi everyone. Today I'm just making dinner and I'm in this after work. I'm in a kind of meeting with a group that I have meetings with them every week. This is like a YouTube people that I have meetings with them every week, so I just listen on. So today I am making quinoa. I've not made quinoa in a long time. So in here I have water, I have my bouillon cube, and Himalayan salt. Let me show you what the salt that I have. So this is a quick blog. So this is the salt that we use, Himalayan salt. And yeah, so I'm going to add my seafood mix. Okay, so not that much. And then here I have my green pepper, sweet pepper, onion, and I'm gonna cut up some mushroom here. This is actually like a chicken broth. So this was from the chicken sauce that I made, and so it has some of the chicken fat and the chicken marinade sauce. So I'm going to not use oil in this recipe, but just use chicken fat as my oil. Okay guys, I'm nearly done with my maiden. Okay, so anyway, bye everyone, bye. Okay, so I'm done with my maiden. You guys, you're probably wondering what maiden is that. Oof, I had a meeting with YouTube, and I'm in a community of people. It's like a group of people that YouTube selected to participate in this YouTube short thing that they're doing. So this is a new community that they're building, and it's so nice to be part of them. So I just want to let you guys know that you're probably going to be seeing some shorts coming up. I'm so excited. But while I was doing that, we just got done with the meeting. It's like a meeting we have every single week, and it's a lot of work, but now I can eat. So you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the thing. And that's the quinoa, and Eniola said it tastes delish, but it's seafood. I just put seafood with vegetables and stuff, and now I'm just gonna rest. I don't have much of anything to do. You can see I'm like here cozy. I don't have much of anything to do, but I'm just gonna rest. But I'm so excited. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.